I have cut out my fabric pieces. I have 6 squares. I lay them out the way I want my design to be. So how do I start sewing? I take the first 2 and they are right side up. When a fabric is like this, looks exactly the same on both sides, then it doesn't matter which one is the right side or wrong side. But with a fabric like this one, you can see this is the wrong side, this is the right side. So you put them next to each other, right side up, the way we want to see them in our final project. Then take one and flip it over the other. Okay, and now they are right sides together. We match the edges as good as we can. This is really important that we try to be precise like that. And then we put in a pin or 2 to keep them together. And you pin like this in the fabric and back up. In the fabric and back up. Okay. And we are going to sew a straight line here with 1 centimeter seam allowance. If you want to check, is it going to look good when I have sewn it together? The best way to check when you have pinned, you open and check. Yes, that's how I want it. Good. In case you put it together the wrong size, then if you open, you will see that it's not the nice side. Then you know that you have done wrong. You can take the other pair, pin them also together, one flipped over the other, match the edges really well, very precisely, and pin. We are going to sew like this.